Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the Fabulous 95. Now, I know what you're all probably thinking after you see the brand new hauler. Now, a lot of you are probably thinking, why is it silver? Or, I don't know if it really looks silver in the video, but it looks kind of grayish. But anyway, you're probably thinking, why is it silver? And that's because this is the special edition hauler of when this channel hits 1,000 subscribers. Now, this video has been made so I don't know if we've hit 1,000 subscribers yet, because it's definitely not going up at time of release, because at time of release we're at 900 subscribers, well 999 subscribers, and this hauler is gonna be looking a lot better because it's got the Fabulous 95 on the sides, and then on the top it's got the nice 360 Beyblade, because he's helped me really far he's helped me get a lot farther in YouTube than I ever could have probably gotten by myself. Me and him have helped each other along the way. Anyway, let's get into the review of, ironically, a car that he got me, for a special day of mine, which was Tex Dinoco. Now, I could have gotten this one by myself, like, last year, but I remember I just didn't want it for some reason, and then I'm like, you know, I need this for a video, and yeah, I never found it again. Anyway, so, let's see, this is the Blue Desert packaging. You see Tex Dinoco with the nice long horns. The cow, I know this, I really do. The convertible cow roof, and he is the owner of the Dinoco Fuel Company. Now on the back you see, I am not doing good with names today. We got the reporter, we got Tex Dinoco, we got Mater. I have no idea, and no idea. Wow, I'm not very good with names. Anyway, let's get these guys unboxed. And before we unbox this guy, I want to say thank you for watching, and also like and subscribe to the channel. Also, I got an Instagram. You should probably go follow it. You can get a bunch of new content. Anyway, let's unbox this guy. So let's get into the review of this guy. Now, as of this video's recording, it was just shown that there's going to be a new Target 11 pack with My Name Is Not Chuck being released in it, which is going to be reviewed on this channel when it's finally bought in. But anyway, let's get into the review. He's got a nice metallic gold paint, which I was trying to make a gold Fabulous 95 hauler on the road to 1K, but that failed miserably. So he's got a really nice color. The cow skin patterned, like, I am awful today. I don't even remember. Well, cover top, it looks great. Longhorns. Now, Tex Dinoco is supposed to be a millionaire. He looks like a millionaire, and he is like the owner of Dinoco, which I don't know if back when Doc was racing he was still the owner of Dinoco, but he could have been. I don't know. Like, I know that back when, like, NASCAR started, a bunch of owners have passed on their legacy, so I don't know if he was here since the beginning of the stock car racing, but I don't know. Anyway, he's got a very comical looking mouth, like the tractor racers, and he's pretty long, not gonna lie. What kind of car he's based off of. He is made in Thailand, though, which is kind of interesting. Anyway, thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe to the channel if you have not already. Leave a comment. Let me know what your favorite part of the video was, and share this with anybody you really want, because I really don't know what else to say. If we're at 1,000, thank you for 1,000 subscribers. If we're not, let's get to 1,000, guys. I have no idea. Like I said, I pre-recorded this, and I'll see you guys in my next video.